Hi kids, today we are going to use questions. One of the ways that we can understand what we read better is by asking questions. This is how questions begin. We use the words who, what, when, where, how, and why. Today I want you to grab a journal, write down your questions, take a picture, and then read your questions to me. Today's books are on amphibians and reptiles. So you might write, what is an amphibian? Where do amphibians live? How are they born? When do they live in the water? Then, I also want you to tell me if you found the answers to your questions in the book. Okay, let's begin. Hi kids, today we're going to read Amphibians and Reptiles, a compare and contrast book by Catherine Hall. What makes a frog an amphibian, but a snake a reptile? Amphibians and reptiles are two different classes of animals. Scientists who study them are called herpetologists. There are three main types of amphibians: frogs and toads, salamanders and newts, caecilians. There are four different kinds of reptiles: crocodilians, lizards, worm lizards, and snakes, tautara, turtles, and tortoises. Amphibians and reptiles are cold-blooded. The Olympic salamander stays moist and cool by resting on wet earth. This American alligator keeps warm by resting in the sun. Most amphibians hatch from eggs in the water. Most reptiles hatch from eggs on land. When amphibians hatch, they live in the water as tadpoles. As they grow, their bodies change form in a process called metamorphosis. When reptiles are young, they look like small versions of their adult selves. Amphibians absorb oxygen from the water when they are young, and from the air when they are adults. Reptiles breathe oxygen from the air their entire lives. Most amphibians have moist, smooth skin. Reptiles have dry scales. There are many different types of amphibians. Some, like this poison dart frog, are poisonous to predators that try to touch or eat them. There are many different kinds of reptiles. Some, like this rattlesnake, inject venom through their teeth. This helps them attack their prey or defend themselves against predators. Amphibians and reptiles live all around us.